Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to install apps from Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. So this is going to be a very quick and easy step tutorial. So let's find out. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful while you are putting into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. So the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you hit on your Microsoft Store right here. Click on that and it's going to load up like so. Then you have all the apps right here. Now you can come to the top right here, search apps, games and movies and more. Click on that. So here you can simply search for a particular apps you are looking for. Let's say for instance I want to install something from digital. I'm going to simply search for this desktop digital clock. So when you search for the app, then you have different apps options right here that you can simply download and install on your Windows PC. However, not every app here are free. So you can come to the top right here, click on filters right here, and then click on all departments. So you can simply click on apps, then all ages right here. Then you can select ages of your choice, all types. Make sure you choose free section. So this will filter all the free apps right here that you can simply download and install on your Windows PC. So these are free apps right here. Next thing you need to do is to select any one of your choice and download it on your PC. Let's, for instance, I want to get this app. So it's going to load up like this. Then you can simply scroll down and read detail about the app. And just like so, then this app here is about 152 megabytes right here. And the app is copyrighted since 2024. Then if you are satisfied with the app, you can check on the preview right here and see how the app is going to look like on your Windows PCs. I don't like this app. I'll simply go back to search results right here. So I'm going to simply get on this. Then this app here, view widgets. So make your desktop look better with custom widget, change widget colors, usage, and more, all in modern. Just like what you see right here, you can check on the preview. Then here is the full description of the app. Scroll down and check what people have to say about it in the past. About 44 review of a thing has been done with this particular app right here. And the app was released in 2024, just like what you see right there, which is something about 11.7 megabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and get this app. So for you to install the app, click on Get. App successfully installed. Next thing you can do is to click on Open right here. Click on here to open the app. Then you have the widget settings right here. So here you can click on new widget or check on the layout right here. So just like so, save your widget layout with all the adjustment. Right click on the layout for context menu. So then click on settings right here and check on the settings. So preferences, appearance, about, etc. Then go to close on that. Then new widgets. So right here you can simply set your time or dates